Right guys, welcome back to another video. So today we got a special delivery which Ash himself would like to show you what it is. So welcome back to Ash.
Welcome back.
Just can't keep up the camera for 2 minutes.
Yeah, see if anyone's watching. No, so we thought it might be a better idea for me to get technical because Kim here, we've tried to record this about 5 times now and she doesn't really understand everything about what's going on. Just for the simple reason is because I'm trying to follow time attack regulations with the tyres. So I'm trying to explain this to Kim and she's pulling her hair out.
I blame it on being tired.
So she says, we are on about 9:30 now, 10 o'clock. So yeah, as Kim said, we have received these meaty old beasts. I've got a semi on because they're semi-slicks. They are a really nice tyre, these. So we've gone for the Nankang ns2rs. We've gone for the 235 4018s, 95Y speed rating. They've got a fuel efficiency of E, which is understandable with a semi-slick or any sticky tyre. They've got a B wet rating, so it's not bad. It's not the best, it's not bad. So the main reason why we've gone for this tyre is cost. I think it was something like, what, £91 a tyre?
£91 tyre, £360 in total, near enough for delivery.
Yeah, £360 with postage. I was looking at the Toyota R888, but for the size, so for the 235 4018s or 45, I was looking at around something like, I think it was like £130 a corner, whereas these are 91. So you can see the price difference. These are going to wear. We are using them for on road and on track. So I don't really want to be forking out £135, £135, £140 a corner every couple of months. I don't want to do that because £360 for a full set is more than enough. Also, the other reason is regulations, as I've said already. So for the Rung What You Brung sessions, it's got to be a street legal tyre that you are running. You can't run full slicks. If that was the option, I probably would have gone for the R888R and then just got a budget tyre to run as a daily. But as soon as I've got to use my initiative, I thought Nankang ns2rs are the perfect tyre. So that's what I've done. We have got as wheels coming. We've had some issues. I haven't, but Kim has been referring emails back to them because firstly, they couldn't get the colour that we wanted. That's 2 days after we ordered them. And then a load of other bullshit off them. I'm not going to name the company, but I'm not right impressed, to be fair with you.
You won't be going back there again.
No.
Yesterday we got emails saying that everybody's wanting these wheels all of a sudden, even though they were sat in stock, pretty much ready to go.
Just bear in mind that today of this recording is Thursday, and we ordered these wheels last Saturday. So they've had 4-5 days to get them sorted and posted, and the only processed it through yesterday as paid.
Yeah.
So
saying that they're gonna be dispatched tomorrow.
Yeah, so that fucking sucks. I'll just put it out there, it sucks. I did order the tyres and the wheels at the same time, which is very fucking costly. But I did it because I'm lending some wheels off one of his admins, Dan, and he was expecting his wheels back for the weekend following, because I've sold the other wheels. But just my luck with everything else that's going on in my life at the minute. Shit hit the fan. So yeah, we've got us tyres. Hopefully in the next couple of days we will receive the wheels, and then we can get these on.
Fingers, toes and everything crossed.
Yeah. So it's been nice catching up with you guys.
We'll see how long you can stay off camera for.
Yeah. I had to come on just for all the... just to explain everything properly with the sizes and the reason why we've gone for this tyre, because people I know for a fact I'm going to get comments and they'll be like, well, if you're going to get the Toyo 888R, how come you didn't get the Toyo 888? Well, just for the simple fact of this is a mid-compound tyre, so I can use this daily if I wanted to, and I won't have no issues. Whereas if I went for the R888, it's a really soft compound tyre, so I've seen on like the reviews and stuff like that, people are only getting 2,000 mile out of the R888s. I'm not paying £130 a tyre to get just over 2,000 miles. You got to bear in mind the time attack days are probably only around once a month as well. So I need a tyre that's best of both worlds, and this seems to be the one to go for. A lot of people are also going to say, ditch finders. Yeah, if you're going to be a knobhead and arse rape your car when the stone cold wet, yeah, you are going to find a ditch. If you be sensible about it, let them warm up, you'll be perfectly fine. So yeah, that's the
Spit it out, bud.
that's the tyre choice. As I say, the wheel reveal, I'm gonna let Kim do that. So when they come, she's probably gonna get a video of them getting dropped off or whatever she wants to do. She's gonna do it.
I do anyway.
Bear in mind, obviously, the colour choice that we have got now wasn't our first choice.
But it's worked out better for us because we have sort of changed his plan with. The
Yeah, we've kind of changed the design ideas. I think the first original colour choice that we was going to go for, and then the decals, I think it might have clashed a tiny bit. I can always revert back, and that's why we've gone for the colour that we've gone for. So if then we do change his mind, it's going to be a pretty easy colour to deal with, to change back to the colour that we was originally going to go back for, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's all I can think of putting out there and saying. What you want to add?
No, I'm just shit with numbers. That's what I can't do with stuff like this. I'll be honest.
As I say, we had like 5 or 6 attempts at recording Kim trying to explain all this, and
all you got one blah.
So yeah, thanks for everyone that's come in and supporting Kim and giving the likes and views and comments and sinister developments. Yes, I am fine and everything is going okay so far. We still need to hear back with everything else that's happening.
Could go on for a while.
Yeah, it could go on for a while, but yeah, I'm all good. But yeah, thanks for everyone that's still supporting the channel. Like I did say, I will be popping up every now and then when I'm needed.
2 videos in.
2 videos in. But yeah, till next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, smash that bell icon and it'll notify you every single time Kim uploads. I was going to say every time I upload. Every time Kim uploads.
We.
Yeah, we. So yeah, see you later.